Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make a ripper steak. This is the real step I'll be making right in here, guys. I will be baking it in an oven. Okay, right in here I have a fresh spring rosemary right in here. Here I have garlic right here. I have some salt here and I have butter as well that I will be using. Okay guys, as you can see here, rosemary. Okay, I just inside the steak, so I'll be adding some salt. Okay, I will just marinate the salt on the steak. Okay guys, you see that. Okay guys, as you can see right now, I have the pan on the fire, so I will be adding some butter, allowing it to melt. Vegetable oil, as you can see my green is hot. Then I will allow it to cook for 30 minutes on the grill or the oven. Then I close it up. Okay guys, as you can see guys, can you see that? Now guys, you can see very cooked right now, so you can see how cooked it is. Okay, you can see that. Try the other side of it. You can see, give you some shape. Look how cooked it is. You can see that. Just want to keep this one here. Okay. Okay guys, as you can see, you can serve it out with your home frit. Okay, just serve it out with that. Okay, with French fry, frit. Okay, should be very delicious. If you like this recipe, guys, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the bell notification so that anytime I have a new upload, you'll be notified. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.